Joss Stone on breathlessness during Masked Singer songs. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. Season 5 of the US version of The Masked Singer is coming to Fox on March 10th. As excitement rises amongst fans and they wait for the show to premiere, the reveal of the first 2 characters to take part in this year's competition has already come with a good dose of clues and theories to keep viewers guessing for the next. The Chameleon and Grandpa Monster were revealed to be the names of the first contestants of the US season. The Chameleon is a new groovy and glitzy version of the Chameleon UK viewers saw it throughout season 1 last year. The top guesses for Chameleon were Tom Daley, Jason Statham and even Ant. So everyone was stunned to see the Darkness frontman Justin Hawkins unmasked as the celebrity behind. If there is something fans have realized over the multiple seasons of the wacky guessing show is that nothing on it is a coincidence and everything can be. Could there be a connection between the 2 chameleons? Perhaps this is the first clue of the new series. Similarly, Grandpa Monster also has ties to previous contestants as he is the newest addition to the Monster family. Season 1's champion Monster was revealed to be rapper T-Pain, while in Season 3, Miss Monster was the 3rd celebrity to leave the show and be unmasked as singer Sha. Could Grandpa Monster have ties to either one of these 2 previous contestants? What is sure is that the Masked Singer fans have already started their sleuthing to come up with the best guest. Regular host Nick Cannon will return to Season 5 and be officially presiding, but he will not be in every episode. Guest host Niecy Nash will step in to kick off the season as Cannon recovers from COVID-19. Judges Ken Jeong, Jenny McCarthy, Nicole Scherzinger, and Robin Thicke are all returning as well. This new season promises to have lots of surprises and changes in store, with some of the most significant ones being due to COVID. Unlike the UK version, which was pre-recorded with a small studio audience to cast votes, the US version will be live with audiences at home voting. The premiere of Season 5 of The Masked Singer US will also be followed up by the series premiere of Game of Talents, hosted by Season 2 winner Wayne Brady. Trending. Meanwhile, in the UK, Season 2 of ITV's The Masked Singer just ended and saw a giant sausage with chips in a newspaper wrapping. Singer Joss Stone was unveiled as the celebrity hiding underneath the wacky costume, which no one on the panel guessed. Badger, who was revealed to be Neo, came in second and Aston Marigold, who was Robin, was third.